Hello, today I'll show you how to perform a regular refresh and a hard refresh in Microsoft Edge. Step 1, regular refresh. Press F5 on your keyboard. Or click the refresh button at the top of the browser. This reloads the page using cached data if available. Step 2, hard refresh. Press Ctrl plus F5 at the same time. This forces the browser to ignore cache and load everything from the server. Useful when a website doesn't update or display correctly due to old cached content. Now you know the difference between a regular and hard refresh in Edge. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.